Hey everybody, this is how you play Free Fallin' by Tom Petty. All you need to play the song is a great 3-chord vamp. Watch to the end of this video and I'm going to show you how to master the scary B-flat chord, and then at the very end we'll play along with Tom Petty and the band. This song centers around this one 3-chord riff. I'm going to play it on my low G, sounds great on any tuning. When you listen to the recording, you'll notice there's many layers of guitar, but this is the backbone of it. What you have is an F chord, then a B flat. Stay tuned because I'm going to give you some great tips for this one. You go B flat, F, and then this special kind of C chord. Now you can of course just play your regular C, but if you choose to play this one, it preserves the original sound. This C is open, open, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then my ring finger is muffling that top string. It's nice to have that sound because it preserves the melodic contour of the riff. You hear that? We're going to return to a full play along in just a moment. Let's break down how to make B flat easier. Start with your F. Step 1, lift up the middle finger and pivot on that index finger. Notice I didn't even lift it up. Just be able to do this. My pointer finger is becoming a bit more parallel to the frets. Step 2, place your middle finger and ring finger on the 2nd and 3rd fret of the 3rd and the 4th string. This makes a nice little staircase shape. The final step is just to flatten that knuckle a little bit so the pointer finger moves from curved to flat. Isolate this motion and do go slow at first. Try it again. Notice how there's a little pivot. Press the space bar, pause this video, do that 5 times in a row, and then give yourself a huge pat on the back for doing some great practice. Let's dial in the groove of this song. An easy beginner way to play it is just to let the chords ring. Notice I've played that special C. I'm not letting that top string ring. Let's practice the easy groove right along with the recording, and then we'll layer a more complex rhythm on top. So we're going to let the chords ring. Simple strum. Just focus on relaxed hands.
She's a good girl, loves her mom, loves Jesus, in America too.
Relax it.
She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves Chords and her boyfriend too.
So sorry to stop it. We're going to get right back to the tune. Let's layer the next rhythm on top. I was in high school when this song came out, and it was everywhere on the radio. I still have the denim jacket. Would you like more 80s tutorials? Please let me know your requests in the comments down below. What artists, what songs from the 1980s are you interested in? I'd be happy to make more tutorials for you. Be sure to click like and subscribe, and please share this video with another friend. I really appreciate you watching. You can click links down below to get this song sheet and bonus content that'll take you deeper into singing and strumming this song. All right, now let's level up the groove. I would love for you to be able to make up your groove just however you like. And a key element to being able to do that is to have pillars to the rhythm. So the overall structure is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Once you really embody this main structure, you can fill it in all kinds of ways. Let's go through it slowly, carefully, mindfully. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, able to fill in the spaces once you really anchor yourself in those main pillars of the rhythm. For example, feel that structure of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, slowly at first, so you can really get it into your bones. Next thing you know, you'll be filling in the space yourself. I've created a bonus tutorial that shows you all these tricks, guides you through some really nice practices that are relaxing and will really benefit all your playing. Click the links down below if you want to access that lesson. For more advanced strumming, you can start to add some tasty silences. Also some scratches. As the song builds in intensity, you can add so much character by adding things like flicks, chucks, and other percussive techniques. After the last verse, this super cool electric guitar part comes in that you can mimic on your ukulele by a little palm muting. It really is amazing how much character you can bring into a simple 3-chord song with things like dynamics and different rhythmic textures. I encourage you to explore and find your own way to play this. I'm so glad you decided to join me. Let's play the whole song. You'll see that I'm playing a bunch of different grooves. Find your way into the groove. Have a great time. And don't forget to breathe and smile as you play. Here we go.
She's a good girl, she's crazy about Elvis, loves horses and her boyfriend too. And it's a long day, living in Reseda. There's a freeway running through the yard, and I'm a bad boy, 'cause I don't even miss her. I'm a bad